How to change the Duolingo app icon. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your Duolingo app icon. Go on the Google Chrome and on the top search bar you need to search for Duolingo icon. After you search for this, you will see many options right here. So what you need to do from here is select any preferred option from here, and I'll just copy the image and also save it. So if you have downloaded the image as well, then you are done. Now what you need to do is go on the setting option of your device, go on the apps. Now search for Duolingo here. Searching for Duolingo. Now what you need to do is scroll down and tap on app details in store and tap on enable option and tap on the update option. So after it is updated, what you can do is simply change the Duolingo icon by tapping a different edit name option if you see right there, and also paste the photo that you have saved on Duolingo, and then you are done. So this is temporary and not permanent, and it works for only few hours. So do also keep that in mind and use this feature. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.